Hey guys, welcome back to Puppets and Fidget Toys. So, as you can see, these are all my puppets again, and the same fidgets as I did in my last video, and the donut squishy, which I really love. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be stacking the puppets like biggest to smallest. Then we're going to be doing the same with the fidgets. Oh god. And then I hope that noise didn't disturb you guys. Okay, so this is the biggest puppet probably. And it's a rainbow butterfly puppet, and as you can see, I also have a small butterfly puppet, and yeah, it's a pastel, but we're not doing it color coordinated. So after that must be this pastel circle puppet. Oh, my dog Matt is doing that. I'll tell him to stop. So, yeah, I got this one. Matt, oh, he's just drinking. And right here it says puppet, as you can see. And it's a pastel puppet, and it's also really big, but I don't think it's bigger than the butterfly. So the next puppet, we're gonna have to pick randoms because I have a lot of the normal size. So I'm gonna go with this cat puppet. It's one of the rainbow puppets, and it's the cracked one, as you know. Then let's do this circle puppet, and then the other circle puppet. And then maybe the star. Actually, no, not the star. The rainbow, maybe. And then the dog. And then maybe the heart. And then the hexagon. And then the star. And then the milkshake. And then we're going to do like the medium size or small medium. So this is a Hello Kitty puppet. I absolutely love this one. It's one of my favorites. So yeah, this is a really cool puppet, and I love how it has one bubble in the bar. Let's pop that. Ooh, that feels so cool. And when you like pop on the other side, it's like a smacking noise. Then we have this mouse puppet. I think this one smacks too, but not as good as the other one, but let's try it. Uh-oh. Okay, guys, time for the big reveal. Let's see if it... Oh no, Matt's gonna get it. Let's see if it smacks. It smacks, guys. Yay. And then I'm gonna think the butterfly puppet. I got this one from Walgreens, and it has like a little keychain where you can hang it on your bag or your backpack. And then we have the unicorn puppet. I love this one. I also got it from Walgreens. And then last but not least, the Simple Dimple. Well, the Simple Dimple is kind of like a puppet, but not that much. But actually, I don't know. So let's just put it on top. My friend Julia gave it to me. Okay, so now that all the puppets are stacked from biggest to to smallest, we're just gonna count that it's all 15 or 16. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Matt. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm not sure if the simple dimple counts. Comment down below if you think the simple dimple counts. And now we're gonna do fidgets. So I think that one, and no, this one has to go on top of the donut squishy, and then the marble mesh, and then this is not a fidget. Well, anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy this video, and make sure to stay tuned for the next video. Bye, guys.